I'm sitting in a 2016 Chrysler Town & Country standard fobic. We have no keys. We are going to pull the pin number and program 2 OEM fobic keys. So let's get started. Take one of your fobics, put it in the switch, turn it to on. Here we go. Chrysler Town & Country pin extraction 2016 fobic B. Ignition's already on. Read pin code 2373. Back out. Key coding. Program key. Key programmed successfully. Let's take that key out of there. It's a new key. Turn it on. Program key. Key programmed successfully. That's it. We are done. You can take the key out. Press the buttons. Locks and unlocks. All done.